king of the road. Trailer for sailoring.
Good morning! It is Friday, March 14th. It is going to be a beautiful, very spring-like day. Been skiing yesterday with Coach. We had a good day. Today, I'm skiing by myself, but there's always friends, always people that I connect with. So come ski with me.
Sometimes it's hard to focus, just to persevere and just to make it. But everything that's within your grasp, you gotta take it. You gotta go hard and just dig deeper inside you to find that method, that mode that wants that hunger to survive, just to ride the grind, to take it the way you gotta take it and never stop.
Beautiful morning. I just had an amazing conversation with a woman who is 85 years old, out here, feisty. Life inspiration for sure. First segments so far, 129. The snow is lovely. Okay, still doing the warm-up run. Who is living their best life? I am living my best life. It's gonna be a fun ego snow bluebird day. I do want to work on some things, but I just feel like having fun. I just feel like putting on my tunes and just letting go. Does it get any better than this? It does not get any better than this. I am feeling it. Okay, so I said I wanted to feel it. I do, but I did decide to turn on my carve edge similarity turn by turn. You know, if I'm feeling good, I might as well hear what my edge similarity is. It's fun. It's fun. I'm not gonna beat myself up over it. I think when I'm relaxed and enjoying is when I really start the flow. But I can at least have it in my ear telling me what I'm doing. There is the rumor, infamous double black diamond of the Northeast. I'm happy to report I did 5 runs on that yesterday. I'm not doing it today. It's a little too soggy. Now we gotta skate over the other area. Took my jacket off. Chairlift chat time. And the last chairlift conversation I had was a wonderful older gentleman, was a sailor. And in a previous life, I was a sailor as well. I guess I'll always be a sailor. And now I ski. He was in a sailboat that was attacked by an orca. That's pretty crazy. Part of the mountain, and lifties are in tank tops and listen to Van Halen. Stinking fun. How stinking fun. So I changed my skis. I'm gonna eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Quiet over on this side of the mountain. Plus it is almost 1 o'clock, so I'm probably gonna start heading back. So I did a couple laps. This is the other double black diamond. Actually, it's a lot nicer over here. It's a little cooler, so the snow is staying a little bit more firm, especially in the tree shadows. Woo-woo! Nice. A lovely day. I'm looking forward to spring skiing in Maine. Looking forward to spring skiing in Colorado. So if anyone is out in Aspen or Copper or A Basin the first week of April, let me know. Coach and I can hook up with you and show us around. And we're skating back. Spring glade. Let's go over here. Don't want that. All right, there's a trees and bear stuff. Okay. All right. We're navigating. Does this make me a lunch mama now? Oh, it's beautiful. Yes. So nice. Thank you for coming skiing with me today. If you're skiing with me, take your liners out because it is really disgusting if you don't air them out and they get really foul and stinky and stink up the whole locker room. So doing that, and I'm gonna tune my skis. For watching my journey. Thanks so much for subscribing and for liking. Believing in the sunshine and sunny.
give it